See the tail.
Mom, you have to follow him. Ready? Ready? Oh no!
No, I must kill it! I must kill it! I want to kill it! I want to get it!
This is not gonna be.
Let me go, little human! Let me get it! He's gonna drag you. Okay, no, let him go. Let him go. Where'd he go, Prince?
Oh my God.
You might want to get out of the floor, Noah. He's like, it's here, somewhere. I'm gonna find it. Just give me a minute.
Matt, come here.
I'll find it.
Not now, Lehman. Lehman, no.
You don't understand. I'm hunting.
Brian, just come here.
No, I don't get on him. He's not a horse.
Horsey.
Oh, under the... Oh, I didn't see it.
Ouch!
He didn't see it.
Why do you have to torture me? Oh no, you're in the way. Sorry. You're... Oh, what's my life here? Get it, Prince!
Do you have it under there still?
Yes, I do. Get it, Prince! Get it! Get it! Get it, Prince! Get it! Oh. Prince, I need to get it in here. Where'd it go? Prince. Prince. Not now, human.
I'm on a mission. You're putting it underneath this blanket.
Just to hopefully be able to see it. Prince! It's Prince!
Human, I must get it. I'm going to protect you. Let me go. Let me go. I must go get it. He's gonna knock you over.
Oh no, hold on. Let him go. Let him go. Let him go. Hold on. Hold.
What are you gonna do?
Open your legs up. Stand in the room.
This isn't gonna end well.
Fun. Come on. Come on, tap. On.
On your toe? Why are you grabbing him?
Just holding on.
Let him go.
Why?
Because he wants to play.
Oh.